Apparently I got the hiccups. I never had the hiccups a day in my life. But today...
Wait, you're supposed to cheer, Dondo.
Yeah. Today I have the hiccups on the Super Bowl. Maybe it's something famous.
Oh!
Maybe it's coincidence. Maybe it's meant to be. Only God knows. All I know is that shit fucking sucks. And this might be my last memory.
Oh.
Well, first, not my last. I might just kill myself. Because I don't know what the fuck to do. Literally. I've never been in a situation where I cannot control my bodily functions. And old people can't control their bodily functions. So now I'm in a situation where do I keep hiccuping? Or do I just get rid of it all? I have a lot to go through. 2 little girls. Happily married man. This is some bullshit. Do I want to keep jumping every time I make a statement? I'm trying to be serious. What if I get a fight? Am I supposed to, like, hiccup my way out of it? No. It's not going to work. I'm trying to hold my breath. Try to get scared. Obviously. Shit does not work. So, friends and family, as serious as I can be. I got the hiccups. It fucking sucks. So I'm gonna sign me off.
Yeah.
Alright. To get rid of the headache. The hiccups. Vinegar. Ooh.
Neon Sand Castle.
Did it go away?
Nope.
Well,
Did not go away.
Okay, so now we're doing sugar?
Sugar.
Yep.
Neon Sand Castle.
Teaspoon of sugar.
Trying to figure out the fastest way to get rid of the hiccups. Method 2. Sugar. Ooh, yeah.
That's hilarious, dude.
Mm.
Supposed to walk it down with vinegar.
Fuck that, dude.
Or water.
Oh, okay. That's disgusting. Never doing that again in my life. The hiccups not gone.
They're not?
They're not?
Hold on.
Oh.
I feel sugar
Oh.
high.
Okay, so
I
peanut
got
butter.
sugar.
I think we should do
No.
He don't like peanut butter. So
pull
I'll
out
do
your
peanut.
tongue.
Pull out
This
your
is
tongue.
the only time when pulling out your tongue in public is not considered rude. The act of pulling out your tongue works the same way as number 6, to stimulate the vagus nerve and ease diaphragm spasms while avoiding any dreadful gag reflexes. Gargling ice water.
Ice water. Let's get the ice water.
What about peanut butter?
Ice water, woman.
He doesn't want to do that. There's 11 of them, so we'll come back to peanut butter.
This is 11 ways to get rid of the hiccups. So far, we're down to...
Be careful not to swallow any ice cubes.
Dude, I think we should watch Beyonce's halftime show again. That might get rid of your hiccups.
That probably would cause my hiccups. Because I was just like... and started going from there.
Dude, I'm like Assassin's Creed dude.
Okay, you gotta gargle. Don't swallow any ice.
Gargle? With
Yep.
the ice?
What the fuck just happened?
Oh my god, I feel like he's gonna hiccup.
Doesn't work.
I feel like I was gonna gargle and all.
Does not work. Gargle.